So my buddy Sean took a little fishing trip out of San Diego. Caught himself some bluefin tuna. Some big tuna. As he has been so kind before, he shared some with me again so that I can share with you how I do some fresh caught tuna steaks with a cucumber and olive relish. Fresh caught tuna steaks, amazing. A cucumber and olive relish with it, double amazing. The two together can't be explained. You gotta try it. The relish we're going to make to go on the tuna steaks is a cucumber olive relish. Really simple. Again, it just complements the seared tuna steaks. So come down here, I'll show you how we do it. You need some cilantro. You need your cucumbers. Chop up some olives. If you got a mix of olives, that's cool too. Doesn't have to be green olives, doesn't have to be black olives. If you get mixed olives, that would be great. And juice from a lemon. Salt and pepper. And toss. Chill it until you're ready to serve it. So for my steaks, I'm just going to drizzle them with a little bit of olive oil. Brush that around. Get both sides of them. Some salt, some black pepper. Simple as that. That's all these things need. I'll salt and pepper the other side once I throw them on the grill. We've got our grill nice and hot. We've got our tuna steaks. Look at those things. Those are just beautiful. Beautiful. We're gonna sear them for about 2.5 minutes per side, and that's it. Take them off. We'll tint them for about 10 minutes. Throw some of our relish on there and grub. There it is. Our seared tuna steak, courtesy of my boy Sean. Look how tender that is. All right, admittedly, slightly overdone, but look at that. That's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. We'll get some of our relish, throw it on there. Relish is beautiful too. And as we always say, eat this. That is delicious. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Give it a try. Give it a like. Give it a share. Subscribe. Help a brother out. Click the notification bell down below too. Have a good evening. Eat this.